Hola chicas y chicos! So today I want to share my experience of the carved Ultra pads and straps with you. If you'd like to purchase these or other kite gear, you can head over to bigairkite.com and check these out. We've got these brand new and also some demo gear available at really affordable prices, so check it out. I've been testing these guys out for the past few weeks and they are really cool, but I've decided not to ride these going forward. But maybe these are the right pads and straps for you, so let me tell you my experience of them. So what I really like about these straps is you can adjust them to exactly the point that you need, and you can adjust the front of the strap or the back of the strap so it can really fit snug to your foot. So the way you do that is you just pull on this ratchet, whoop, and it closes and closes. And you're able to put your foot in there and just push the strap down and it'll click really fastened onto your foot. And that nice snug feeling combined with this really solid toe ridge will really enable you to control the edge of your board super well, which is to me like the dream scenario if I'm riding in say like 40 to 50 knots and I'm not trying to do board offs. I'm just trying to hold my edge, build as much power as possible, feel confident that I can pull my toes onto that toe ridge and really grip the board, and then I'm able to send some massive jumps. However, I really love doing board offs. So what I found myself doing with these was I loosened the straps and then my foot was able to go in and out really nicely, still love the toe ridge, and that was really cool. But then when I would crash, the straps would get pushed down just by like getting on the water. Progressively they get tighter and tighter, and I just find for me that means I've got to open them up every so often, and it's kind of a little bit of an annoying thing for me to be doing in the session. So I still decide to go with the Core Union Comfort straps. You can watch my video review on those, just follow the link down below. Really cool pads, nice and soft, not as soft as the Comforts, but definitely very durable. And I really like this toe ridge. It's also extremely durable. I don't think that this is going to be eaten away anytime soon, whereas on the Comforts they do wear down a little bit sooner. It's got a really solid base plate over here, and you can easily adjust them to fit your stance. So all in all, I think that this is really the Porsche of kiteboarding straps, and I would highly recommend them to people who are looking to do some massive jumps and want to have that really locked in feeling with their board. Super cool. But if you're like me and you like doing board offs, I would definitely recommend going with the Core Union Comforts. Just be aware they're not as durable, they're not going to last as long. And don't be too discouraged if board offs are your thing. Martin Hager still rips on these, and he's doing pretty insane board offs, massive kite loop board offs, and he's had no complaints about them. So anyway, like I said, if you want to purchase these pads and straps as well as other Big Air kite gear, just head over to bigairkite.com. Guys, be sure to let me know what other gear you're curious about, and I'll be sure to review it in one of my next videos. Otherwise, if you want to catch some cool how-to videos, check out my channel. I make some pretty helpful how-tos, I like to think. I try my best. And guys, please be sure to subscribe for future videos. Leave a little like so YouTube knows that this video helped you out. And if you got any questions or you just want to say what's up, hit me up in the comments.